Today, we're going to learn how to assemble your Adirondack chair. First, you'll want to get all of your tools together. You'll need a Robertson or Phillips screwdriver, a hex head or flathead screwdriver, and the included hardware pack. Next, make sure you have all of your pieces ready. This includes 2 front legs, 2 back legs, 1 seat, 1 backrest, and 2 armrests. If you're opening up your wrapped pieces with a blade, be sure to cut away from your body for safety. Once you have everything handy, you're ready to begin. Step 1. Attaching the front legs to the seat. Insert the alignment pins on the side of the right leg and place on the right side of the seat. Fasten legs with hex screws. Repeat for opposite side. Step 2. Adding the rear legs. Place the rear legs upright on the back edges of the seat. These take 1 hex screw and 1 pin per side to attach. Step 3. Now we're going to add the back. Lower the backrest into place and position the alignment pockets onto the top of the back legs. Fasten the back legs on the back piece to the pockets using 1 self-drilling screw per side. Turn chair on side. Then, using 2 screws per side, tighten the bottom of the back piece into the seat. Step 4. Lastly, add the armrests. Simply place a pin into the arm supports on the front legs and lower the armrest down. Then rotate the back of each arm into place along the backrest, screwing each side into place with the number 8 self-drilling screws. And there you have it. Now all that's left to do is sit back and enjoy.